Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the bookmarks bar not showing on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists. This section contains all the bookmark-related features and settings in Brave, including options for managing your saved pages and organizing your bookmarks. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the side, showing you additional bookmark options. Next, in that secondary menu, hover your mouse over Show Bookmarks. This option specifically controls how and when your bookmarks bar appears in the browser. When you hover over it, you'll see another small menu appear with different display options for your bookmarks bar. These options give you control over whether the bar is always visible, never visible, or only shows up on certain pages. From this menu, select Always. This setting ensures that your bookmarks bar will remain visible at all times while you're browsing, regardless of which page you're on or what you're doing. It's the most convenient option if you frequently use your bookmarks and want quick access to them without having to open menus each time. Once you select this option, the bookmarks bar will immediately appear below the address bar in your Brave browser. And that's it. Your bookmarks bar should now be permanently visible in Brave, giving you instant access to all your saved websites and folders whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.